Hello YouTube, thanks for tuning in and welcome to another vlog. This is the biker guy and today we are with the beauty. So let's get the day started. The date is 30th of March, Friday, and it's a good Friday. So we have off and I am out for a short spin. Going to Indian PARATHA company that is on the way to the airport, I guess, or maybe a bit far from the airport. I'll go out there, chill out. I'll show you the place around. I've seen pictures of that place on just a second. I've seen pictures of that place on Google Maps and it looks really nice. So I thought when I just go there, chill out for some time, and it'll be a vlog and a short ride as well. So yeah, let's head out and see what we catch today on the roads. And yes, I guess if we have reached. Where do we park? Let me just park the bike and I'll give you a tour of the place. And yes guys, we are done with the Paratha company, heading back home now. So it was really nice. The place looks very beautiful and the food was also okay. I won't just say it because I had the food and made the video. It's not that great, but then it was okay. Paratha, what else can you get in a Paratha? But then yeah, it was really nice. The place was really beautiful and chilling out. So yeah, if you think the video was nice, give it a thumbs up. If you think you're gonna visit this place, give it a thumbs up. And comment down below if you want me to go to some other place and make a video of that place or check that place out. So yep guys, that would be all from this vlog. Hit the subscribe button. As I always say, I'll need your love and support to make this channel a hit. Until the next time, goodbye beautiful people.